we have 2 ears and only 1 mouth is so we might listen more and talk less. Let that sink in. Now obviously you all know I used to work in a gym, so I love the gym, but I really can't disregard training from home at the moment. I signed up to another gym, a 24-hour one, probably about a month ago. I went about 4 or 5 times, 6 o'clock in the morning, and the gym was absolutely packed. So training from home at the moment, wake up, do my morning routine, which you've just seen. Oh yeah, Charlie, get me in the booth, fam. Perfect. Yeah, do my morning routine and then come out here, do my workout, 20 minutes, half an hour, absolute max, go for a little walk, get some steps in, and then have a shower, crack on with some work. At this point, you're probably thinking, yeah, but Olley, why don't you just go to the gym? But now that's not really the priority. You know, I like going to the gym, don't get me wrong, but I can now treat going to the gym as like a treat, and I could do like a full body session when I go to the gym. And also I can then go to gyms that I want to go to, do you know what I mean? Like Muscle Works, like Crayford, like those type of gyms where you can just pay like a one-off fee to go in and use them. Working from home today, got a call at 10 o'clock, so try and get a majority of the 10,000 steps out of the way. Well, that was random. I was literally walking out the door, literally walking out the door. There's a geezer standing there like, I'm from BT, I'm here to check your telephone line. It's like, hello mate, you got the wrong ass. I let him in, he checked it. We don't use the telephone, so it is what it is. Had a quick call with my mortgage advisor, sending everything over to him. It's exciting times. As well, yeah, the guy come in to do, like, check my BT hub or something, was saying my telephone wire weren't working, and literally has pulled everything out and my internet weren't working, and I've literally got so much stuff to do today that is very internet related. But it's working, but we're good. Quickly send all of this stuff on the old laptop, and then it's a content day for me today, which you can probably tell because I'm making this video, and I'm back. 72 minutes, and we got to 9,024 steps, but I'm absolutely dying for a wee. Difficult to know, to be honest with you. Obviously, we've been very, very busy. Yeah, sure, correct. I've registered with Credit Karma, I believe. I don't think she has. Brilliant, you're a star, thank you so much. So basically ticked all the steps off for the day. I just need to send through a couple of things for this mortgage advisor's guy's stuff, and we're gonna have some food. It's now 12:10 and obviously done a big walk, got all my steps out for the day. Still need to have a shower, still need to obviously sit down and get some work done, but that's the good thing. It's a nice day today. I'm probably gonna sit in the garden and do some work. So firstly, let's get some food done. I've literally got no pets. What is going on? Important info for pet parents. What? See, the thing is with me, I'm pretty weird, so I'm gonna be going, not weird, but I just know what I like, and I like what I like. So I've got chicken breast fillets these are from Lidl. I got your bow! There's more in there, but what I do is I just separate them when I bought them. Ugh. Who else hates picking up raw chicken like that, you know? Yeah, I just separate them when I buy them. I think there was 6 in there, and I just left 2 out for today, and then the rest I just separate, put them into the freezer in sandwich bags individually. So then if I just want 1 chicken breast or 2 chicken breasts, I could just take them out of the freezer, let them defrost, and do what I'm doing now. Step number 1, yeah, cut the thing. Oh, meat. I ain't no Gordon Ramsay, but I can cook. Oh God. Couldn't have been a more ironic time. Sometimes I like doing like the butterfly, but we're just going for little chicken slices. We're gonna go salt. Oh, I shouldn't have put it on there. The chicken juice, you div. Black pepper, garlic granules. I think that's it, you know, because I could get a little bit peri up in here. On the board, very simply. I love black pepper, like honestly. I eat black pepper with everything. Like, I'll do this and then I'll still put loads of black pepper on the chicken. Granules, yeah. Nice bit of garlic chicken. Yes, please. Is there anything that garlic doesn't go well with? Next up, we're gonna use the fry light. This stuff is a godsend. Separated. And then once you flip them over, this obviously a few minutes later, what I like to do is just get a little bit of water and just pour it into here as well. Okay, so I said chicken salad, but it's gonna be pretty basic. This is gonna be the British Little Gem lettuce. Now this is also from Lidl, very cheap. I like getting this instead of like an actual lettuce, just because you can just open them up and literally peel off one of the bits of lettuce. I see this on like something the other day. Look at that! I mean, the one I see, the hole is a lot bigger, but those chicken breasts were like not big. They were pretty tiny chicken breasts, so you could probably put like both of them in there. So about 110 grams of chicken breast. Look at that! That is Instagram worthy, you know. Ooh. That time to actually break the fast. We're just gonna go for cereal. I love starting my day, or starting my afternoon, should we say, with cereal. Boom. There's the little peoples. I run out of them. They're banging. Yeah. So just got Rice Krispies and those little peoples in there. About 40 grams. I've been using this Long Life milk just because you know, cups of tea, coffee, and that. Drink a lot of milk, and this is skimmed milk as well, so it's very low in calories as well. Boy, Linda, do you hear that crackling? And we're also gonna have a little protein shake with this as well. Some whey, about 30 grams of whey. This is why the ice is so important for me. Loads of ice in there, water out of the fridge, and then a scoop of whey. Oh God. A few hours later, I'm eating that chicken salad, and I must say, it tastes unreal. That chicken, I cooked that to perfection, I'm telling you. That reminds me of the scene in Misfits. Also sipping on a little Diet Coke by Vive. Boys and girls, if you're not saving money by going to Aldi and Lidl, I don't know what you're doing. 2 calories a can. So I've been editing a client video pretty much since we last spoke. I've had 2 cups of tea in the meantime, which just makes me sound very, very British. Cup of tea, darling. 5:05, I'm pretty good. I actually ate the rest of that chicken as well. There weren't a lot of it. I rounded up to like 200 grams of chicken on MyFitnessPal. I'll scroll through all of MyFitnessPal at the end of the day just to go through everything with you. So stick around to the end of the video to see someone doing some building work like 2 doors down as well. Do you know who I am, fam? So it is now 6:30. I've just finished up this video for the client, so I'm gonna send this straight to her on Google Drive. Still got hella calories to play with. 926 calories to play with. That's why I like intermittent fasting as well, because if I like just hold off all of those calories, if I'm really hungry in the evening, then I could just go through and bang out some calories, or I can like give myself a bit of a treat. Everyone knows that I've got a bit of a sweet tooth. I've got a big sweet tooth. That's why I've gone for the ice lollies. Ice lollies are a big hack for me, I can't lie, when I'm cutting anyway. And I really haven't been in like a proper cutting stage for a while, so even when I eat like absolute rubbish, I'll still have like a relatively decent frame just from like what I think is like muscle memory and the fact that I'm pretty active anyway. But also like Sarah knows, my mum knows, like my sisters know, I can get in like what I would think is good shape for me in like a couple of weeks pretty easily. Just because I know exactly what works, I know how my body reacts to certain things, and I know what work I need to do. So like even today, like ticking off those 10,000 steps, that is something I will be consistent with now until I'm at that point where I'm like happy with, I'm not happy, but I'm gonna do this obviously 4 weeks. I know that doing 10,000 steps in the morning or 10,000 steps throughout the day, that is just such a basic requirement to hit. And tracking your calories, like I know that I could get shredded on 10,000 steps a day and just tracking my calories, just watching like what I'm eating, just being diligent, if you like, with the foods that I'm eating, and essentially just not eating a whole pack of cookies every single night, which I don't do. I'll never do that. No, I love sweet treats. I love desserts all day long, so I probably will factor in some cheat days throughout this time. I'm obviously only going to do like a little 4-week cut sort of thing, so let me know what cheat days you want me to do, as in like food challenges and stuff as well, because I'm down for the food challenges, but I do want to get a little bit in shape first. So it's about 7:45 now. Have some dinner and then finish up with a nice little dessert. I let my lollipop. Look at that. 2 kebabs, 211 calories, you know? I'm gonna do a little salad with it again, and then I'm gonna do some white rice as well. I haven't had white rice, like just cooked white rice with a meal for ages. So yeah, I'm gonna have some white rice. I'm gonna do some white rice because I'm also gonna prep some food for tomorrow as well. I'm gonna do like a tuna salad, but with some bloody hell, white rice. Ah! That is hot. Come on, come on. So I was going to finish the day up around here, 385 calories remaining, but my mum literally come back and was like, Amy got you some desserts. They know me too well. What was I literally saying to you earlier? I've got a sweet tooth, and then she comes and brings this. So I'm going to be good, and I'm going to finish up with one of these little mini cupcakes, which I'm going to put it in as a mini cupcake. 385 calories. That's no way 385 calories. So we're going to punch it in, see where it comes up at. Au revoir.